Let's go. Jaywalking. So we just got to Rusnak, Pasadena to do a shoot in front of this glass right here. And they shut the lights off, so we need to ask them. Oh, there's a janitor back there. We need to ask if they can keep the lights on. So let's go. Oh, dude, they just closed the gate too. All right, we're trying to see if we can find somebody to turn the lights on, but it doesn't look good right now.
Yeah, I don't think we'll find anyone.
So no luck at the Rusnak dealership. The what is that? The custodians shut us down. Wouldn't even look at us. Just shut the lights off and walked away. So that's not happening. We're gonna think about going to another location, probably the Suicide Bridge, and shoot there. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 911s here, and we have Joe's Cayman R, and we're expecting Aaron, so we'll have an extra one coming just shortly. So.
Knock her out real quick, and then I said, I'm out.
So we just got to the gamble house. Unfortunately, the Porsche dealership wasn't working out for us, so we're gonna set up here. It's super dark, which is actually gonna be better for light painting. And we're gonna probably head to the Suicide Bridge after that, but not before I get a bunch of pictures out here. I think it's gonna work out really nice, so let's get to it.
It's really cold right now, and it's like 50 degrees.
So Eric just told me this place was built in 1909. It's like over 100 years old, so it's pretty cool. We got Aaron and Eric's car lined up behind me, and the color tones are coming out really great out here. So once we touch it up, it'll look really good. Well, maybe I should cut off my face. So the color tones out here are looking really good. So once I touch it up, hopefully it'll look really good. So a lot of people are calling it a night already. I think it's not even 12 o'clock yet, but everyone's got work, so it's just me and Aaron tonight. Out here with Aaron. Where's the Suicide Bridge?
Suicide Bridge.
We're in Suicide Bridge. We haven't seen no ghosts yet, but beautiful Suicide Bridge is right there. And Aaron's 964 is right here. We just pulled over because I like the architecture between the two buildings, which is the 210 freeway right there, and Suicide Bridge, which is right there. So I want to do some stuff under the bridge, but they got construction fences and stuff, so that's not going to happen. So we made the best of it. It's going to look really great. I'm excited for this shot. But now that we're done, we're going to head out to Colorado and get some shots out there. So let's roll! So I'm trying to do one of my iconic light painting shots of Aaron's car out here because he wanted one I did of my 964 back in the day. And if you look right here, Rusnak shut off their lights and it's very dark inside. So what do? You light paint their model car right here. This is what we do. I got my light stick right here. This is what we did. Literally, I just light painted like this inside their dealership. Oh, hit it. I'm surprised the alarm hasn't gone off, but just light painting. So super funny story. There was these two drunk girls. They got dropped off and they went inside their car, and I think they're, I don't know, smoking or drinking. Anyways, they were walking up and down the floors. They didn't even know where the hell their car was, and their car was actually on the first floor. And I think they're drinking inside there right now. And security guard comes down and he locks the gates. Check this out. He locks this gate and the other gate, and those girls are still stuck in their car over there. And I think by the time they get out, they're gonna have a rude awakening. So all right, boys and girls, we are out. We have finished the shoot. Aaron is cold. He's tired. It's 2:30. So we're gonna end it right here. We met some new friends. They just took off. He's a penis and his girl's turned on. That's what he said. They're taking off. They're probably gonna go have some fun tonight. And that's it. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.